Welcome back to Ice Cream Sundays. My name is Tara, and each week I'll be sharing a different homemade ice cream recipe with you. This week I made this cookies and coffee ice cream, which is just a slight twist on the classic cookies and cream. And this is another no-churn recipe, so you don't need an ice cream machine for this. So first, in a large bowl, I'm going to whip together the cream, the salt, and the vanilla until I get stiff peaks. Now that I've got stiff peaks, I'm going to fold in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm just going to fold this in until there are no more streaking and I get one homogeneous color. Now for that coffee flavor, I'm going to take a instant coffee powder and some water, and I'm just going to make a paste. And be sure to mix this thoroughly so you have a smooth consistency. You don't want to have any dry lumps in your paste. Once the paste is smooth, I'm going to add it to the ice cream base, and I'm just going to fold this in until I get one solid even color. Now for the cookie portion, I just have some cookies in a plastic bag, and I'm just gonna bang these up until I get the size that I want. And this is just personal preference. You can make these as big or as small as you like. Now just add that to your base and fold until it's evenly distributed. Once everything is fully mixed in, I'm just going to pour these into a freezer safe container. I'm using quart containers. And I got about a quart and a half of ice cream from this recipe. Then I just popped them in the freezer overnight, and here's how they looked the next day. I feel like you really can't go wrong with a cookies and cream ice cream, but adding this coffee base to it just really took it up a notch. As always, I'll have the ingredients listed in the description below. I thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Ice Cream Sundays. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.